Everyone, this is Amit Singh from quickdigitalreviews.com and welcome to my Moneycraft review video. I'm here in the members area of Moneycraft. So what is Moneycraft? In a nutshell, this is a web-based app that will allow you to sell video games and make money with it. So how it's gonna do is that by it will allow you to search a particular video game and it will show you the best cheapest price for that video game, and then you can list that video game on another weird site that is included in the training course. And when your video game when somebody buys your video game, you're gonna make some money with that. Alright, so the front end price of Moneycraft is $27. There are a few upsells and downsells which I'll let you know in a while. And what else? So yes, the product is gonna launch on 16th of July, which is today, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the launch day is extended till 20th of July. So you have 4 days to pick this product up, and if you're landing anywhere after 4 days after 20th July, the price will go high and you won't be able to buy this product in such a price range. So I just wanted to let you know that I have put together some amazing bonuses for Moneycraft if you're planning to buy Moneycraft. So let me take you to my bonus page. Okay, so this is my bonus page and this is how it's gonna look like. There is a link in the description below which says get Moneycraft and my bonuses. If you click that link, you will come to my bonus page. We're gonna scroll down. This is a video that I created for Siphon. Siphon is another really good product. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can check this product out as well. If you click this orange button which says click here to secure Moneycraft and your bonuses, you will go to the sales page of Moneycraft, which looks like this, and you can buy this product. Okay, so I've told you that Moneycraft is gonna launch on 16th of July, but my bonus will expire when this timer hits 0. I'm giving you close to 3 days to pick these bonuses up and pick this product up through my link. Okay, so let's scroll down. So when you come to my bonus page, you can just read this. Okay, so prices and upsell. As I've told you, the front end price is $27. The upgrade one is Moneycraft cheat code level, which is for $47. A cheat code that uncovers the 100% ethical and legal loophole that allows the users to keep more profit per sale in their pocket. Upgrade number 2 is Moneycraft power up level, $47 per month or $97 for a year access. The power up we will practically deliver the users the exact game that are going to bring them profit month after month. Alright, so upgrade number 3 is Moneycraft boss level, which is for $297. The boss level where we are going to take your users by hand on one setting and help them set up everything from their accounts. Alright, so all the upgrades are pretty good, but I will highly recommend you to first go with the front end price, which is $27, and then if you find this product useful, then you can probably go on for the later upgrades. Alright, so this is a demo video that I have put. If you want, you can just go through this demo video. Okay, so bonus, I am giving you I think 6 bonuses for this product. Yes, so bonus number 1 will be list building on steroids. Learn how to build a huge list fast. Bonus number 2 will be crazy traffic explosion. How to get free traffic to your offers websites. This is a really good product. Bonus number 3 is 0-hour work days. Yes, $9,000 per month with 0-hour days. This only involves 3 steps to making money. Bonus number 4 is how I made $2,000 in 20 minutes with Facebook group. Brendan will teach you how he did it exactly. Bonus number 5 is ultimate traffic mantra. This is a solution to your traffic problems. Bonus number 6 is launch checking, hijack your way to success, get sales and traffic to your offers. Okay, so again, if you click any of these orange buttons which say click here to secure Moneycraft and your bonuses, you will go to the sales page of Moneycraft and you can buy this product. Okay, so again, if this timer hits 0 or after 3 days, if you're landing on my bonus page after 3 days, so my bonus page would have expired. So make sure you're landing on my bonus page before 3 days from now. You can buy this product by clicking here. Okay, so let's jump into the sales page of Moneycraft. Okay, I'm here in the sales page of Moneycraft, a no fuss method for generating thousands every single month part-time without building a list, creating a website, or creating and launching a product. So this is the best part of this product, that you don't have to build a list, you don't have to create a website, you don't have to create a product or launch a product. So this is a really good niche, this is a really good idea, and I really like this concept. So let's move ahead. This is fresh, new, and not your typical I am hype, and can be done in only a couple of hours a day. This is really true, this is really good. Okay, we're gonna scroll down. So if you click this green button which says get started here, you can buy this product. I think the sales page is not ready yet, so by the time you jump in here, it will be ready. So let's scroll down, and it only took a few simple steps to generate. You won't believe how simple this is. You need to step one is search for this popular in demand item using the method we show you. Step to snag the item for cheap and relist it where we show you. Wait for purchase, which happens fast most times, and collect your money. So I'm gonna show you in the demo video, I'm gonna show you how all these 3 steps are achieved in a while. Here's what others are saying. You can just read this testimonials that they have posted here. You can watch the testimonial videos. Okay, so I think you can just go through the sales page when you jump in here. I'll just quickly, yes, another thing, you're getting some amazing bonuses from their side. Bonus number one will be case study, how in 8 minutes I made $73. Bonus number two will be insider insights on finding profitable games. Bonus number three will be Moneycraft point by point checklist. Bonus number four will be Moneycraft resource cheat sheet. So these bonuses are pretty amazing and very much required to make money with Moneycraft. And you're also getting 30 days money back guarantee, which is also pretty cool. So 30 days I think are pretty much enough to check the product out and whether it is working or not. So if you find this product useful, you can keep it, otherwise you can return it anytime you want. Alright, so let me take you to the members area of Moneycraft. Alright, so I'm here in the members area of Moneycraft, and I'm gonna show you exactly how this software or how this app works. So when you come to the members area, you will have 3 options: dashboard, best deals, and training. So this is the area, this is a search bar where you wanna search your particular game, and you can even choose where you wanna convert it in dollars, euros, pounds. And when you click the search game button, it will search it will search through all the sites for the best cheapest price. When you go to the best deals, I think this feature belongs to the users only, so it is not upgraded. So when you go to training part, okay, so this is the area which is really important. If you don't know how to use this app, this particular training will teach you how you can use this app and how you can make money with Moneycraft. All right, so this is the PDF that you can download and read it anytime. Moneycraft tips and tricks. These videos are an addition to the information provided in the PDF, not a replacement. Please make sure you read the PDF too. So first you need to read the PDF, then you want to jump here. So how to find profitable games. So this video will exactly teach you how you can make money with profitable games. And the second video will be games and buying limits. So all these videos are gonna teach you how you can make money with this particular app. So let me take you to the dashboard area. So dashboard area is basically you wanna search your game here. So I will search a particular game called Horizon Zero Dawn PSN key. PS4 North America. So I'll just copy this Horizon Zero Dawn, copy this, thing. And once you have copied this thing, just paste it in Moneycraft app, paste and choose euros, search games, and it'll take a while to to show you the results. Okay, all right, so we have got the results. Then we want to search for Horizon Zero Dawn, and we'll also, okay, Horizon Zero Dawn Complete Edition. Okay, let's change the price. Alright, I think we have got it. Horizon Zero Dawn Complete Edition, PSN, PS4, PSN Key, North America. I think this matches with this one. Sorry, Horizon Zero Dawn, PSN Key, PS4, North America. So once you have found this game, you don't have to do anything. You just click on Go to Game, and it will take you to this website where this particular game was listed. You can clearly see the difference that this is for 10.30 euros, and here we are getting for 17 euros, right? So you can clearly see the difference. Okay, fine. So what you want to do here is that once you have found this game, you want to pick few keys and you want to list it here. Once you list it here, your game will be shown in this particular website. When people search this particular game, your product will be listed on the cheapest price, and they are more likely to buy your product because your product is the cheapest one and it has the same qualities as others, right? Okay, so this is how this app works. You can literally make tons of money with this app, and make sure to go through the training video, because training videos will teach you exactly what games you want to pick up and where you want to list those games up. Okay, so I showed you how Moneycraft works. I showed how Moneycraft app works. So let's talk about pros and cons about this product. So let me focus on the positive aspects of this product. The positive aspect is really crystal clear, that you don't have to make a website, you don't have to build a list or create a product, right? Because all these three things are absolutely not required. So it makes your job much easier, right? Because when you surpass the whole need of creating a website, building a list through it, or integrating an autoresponder, and then finding an offer to promote, this is a really hectic process, right? So it surpasses the whole need of doing that. So this is what the advantage of this product is. You just have to sell video games, and you will literally make tons of money with it. It is 100% newbie friendly. Anyone can use it, and you don't have to be a game expert to make money with this app, because everything is covered in the training video. Even if you have zero knowledge on games or anything like that, you can just go through the training videos, and it will train you how you can make money with this app. Okay, so let's talk about cons about this product. I literally haven't found any cons about this product, because it will be launching very soon, so not a lot of people have used it, and so we don't have a lot of feedbacks, a lot of testimonials about this product. But a lot of people have given some positive testimonials about this product. You can go through those testimonials in the sales page of Moneycraft. And so all in all, I'm really positive about this product. I'm really looking forward to this product. This is a really unique concept. This is a really new niche. This is something which has not saturated yet. So this is the high time that you really buy this product and get into it before a lot of people get to know about this product. Okay, so this was my review on Moneycraft. an app which allows you to sell video games and make money with it. And once again I'm repeating it, this product is gonna launch on 16th of July 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the launch date will expire on 20th of July. So make sure you are early to this bonus page. And my bonus page, as you can see, this will expire on 18th July 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thanks for watching my Moneycraft review video. I'll talk to you later. Bye.